Hello and welcome to the channel Laughing Farm. Today we are here to teach you Mydata GH, the cheapest and affordable bundle in Ghana. Now we will go to our dialer. We will dial star 928 star 666 hash. Then we will select our network. Then the prompt will show. Now it has shown that buy data bundle. So we will select buy data bundle. Then the prompt will show. So we will choose our MTN for now. That is 1. Now we have 2 gig for 11 cedi 55 pesos, and we have 3 gig for 17 series. We have 4 gig for 23 series. We have 5 gig for 28 series, and we have our next option, which is you will select the capital N for the next option. That one to the prompt has come. Then we have 6 gig for 35 series. We have 8 gig for 43 series. We have 10 gig for 52 series. We have 15 gig for 75 series. We have our next and previous too. So we will select the next option. We have 20 gig for 93 series, and we have 25 gig for 115 series. We have 30 gig for 140 series, and we have 40 gig for 180 series. This and all are unlimited. We don't have expiry. This is non-expiry. So as the prompt I've shown over here, you will select your preferred one. If you want the preferred one.